Hello, my name is Elena. Welcome to TeamC's Reservation System for a Restaurant, designed and developed with ASP.NET MVC Web Application Framework developed by Microsoft. It's a web-based portal for customers, staff, and managers to control and maintain customer reservations. Our team will be presenting the key features from the perspective of a customer, staff, and manager. I will begin from the perspective of the customer. An online booking system is a software solution that allows potential guests to self-book through a website. To make a booking, you need to pick a date and choose the number of guests. After you click Find, you will see all available times for the date. Next, you will see three options: register an account, login, or continue as a guest. In this example, I will register a new account. I need to fill in all my details and create password. After that, you will be taken to continue your booking. As you can see, the system filled in all details automatically. After clicking Confirm, you will be taken to the confirmation page with all the details of your booking. Because I created an account, I can see booking history and manage my reservation. When I log in next time to make a booking, the system will fill in all my details automatically, which is really convenient. And now I would like to hand it over to a staff member to see what is happening behind the scenes.
Hi, my name is Anam. I'm going to present the user experience of our reservation system as a staff member. Having this reservation system makes my job really easy and simple, as we get to know all the upcoming bookings quickly, as well as manage the records easily. As a staff member, the first thing I do is head over to the website, log into the system with my staff credential, and then move over to my staff area. From here, I can see the number of guests coming and their special requirements. From here, I go to the Actions tab and check for details, and if we can accommodate the customer, I change the reservation status to confirm and save the changes. This sends an email to the customer confirming that his reservation has been confirmed. If we cannot accommodate the customer, we call the customer with alternative options, because we all know how it feels to make a plan and then get smacked with a route cancellation email. An email notification as well as a phone call makes a better impression about any business. For the rest of the day, I keep checking for new reservations or record a new customer over the phone, or those who wants to walk in and make future bookings. Now I will hand it over to the manager to show how he uses the reservation system from his window.
Hi, my name's Sam and I'll be taking you through our website from the perspective of a manager. After we've entered the manager area, first thing we want to do is create a restaurant. See here we have the details of a restaurant and the actions to view, edit or delete and create that restaurant. After we have created a restaurant, we'd like to create areas within the restaurant. This is a physical area, perhaps a dining area, an outside area within a particular restaurant. So once we've created areas, we'd like to assign tables to those areas. So we could have any number of tables associated with the particular area that we can also similarly create, delete and update. Okay, now after we've done all of the physical parts of the restaurant, we want some attributes of the reservation. So the reservation, we want to know how it was booked. So here we can create the type of booking that's associated with the reservation. After we've done that, we'd like to know the status of the reservation. Is it pending, confirmed, or seated, which a staff member may need to know at any given time throughout the evening. Okay, once we've done that, we have an attribute of a sitting, which is a sitting type. We'll go into settings in the future, but just right now, as a broad scope, it is, say, a breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Could be a brunch or any other type of name you may categorize a sitting as. Now, before I go into settings, which is the most complex part, we'll just go into managing staff. Now, here's our list of our staff. We can also edit them. They have also assigned a user role. Now, there may be very many staff and members, so we have a search function which we can search a particular staff. We may not have much information, only part of or a phone number or something like that, part of a phone number. So even just with a little bit of information, you should be able to find them as long as it's associated with that member. Now, what we'll do now is we need to edit the role of the user. So if we add someone in, they'll initially be always default as a member, and the manager will need to come in and update them, say to a staff. As an example as well, let's take Anam. Let's give him a promotion to the manager. And you can see here he's been updated there. But Anam actually has been a terrible staff member, and I was thinking of letting him go. So let's just update him to member. And now he's locked out of the staff area. Okay, so back into here, we'll go lastly into settings. So as mentioned, a sitting is a type of meal. So let's say it's a breakfast, lunch, or a dinner. It has a start time and an end time. We can now add a reservation in between the start and the end time. The capacity, the total capacity of that sitting, and when you associate a reservation with it, that will be subtracted from the capacity, however many guests are associated with that reservation. You can manually close this sitting if you like and just say we're not accepting any more bookings. Okay, and one final feature is that adding sittings can actually be laborious. It's quite a few details, and certainly selecting the date and end time is a little bit of effort. So what we've had here is a way to repeat it if that sitting is regular, which most of the time it is. So first we'll go in and say, we'll just select a particular breakfast here, which is this one. And we want to do it for the week. So we'll just add a repeat of 6. So once we've done that, you can see here that we now have 6 further breakfasts. What's that done is just increment the date of the start and the end time, the day, by 1. So we've gone 18th, 19th, 20th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and we have our breakfast set up for the week. That is all of the main features of the managers area. Additionally, we have links to the staff area. So the manager has access to all of the features that can be performed with reservations to create and edit reservations and check people in the same as staff members do. So that's just a link to those areas, and I won't repeat that information. So that is the managers area, and you've previously heard about the members and staff area. So thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please let us know.